In this video we will learn how to define objectives and KPIs in performance setup in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance setup form. Click on action and then edit button. Click on objective and KPIs form. The form shows no objectives or KPIs have been entered. Click on new objective button, multiple fields will be seen. Define objective type from drop down and enter objective title. Next, set the weightage of objective and order placement for evaluation form. If required to route the KPIs and filled by the employees, select yes. Either the employee or their line manager can be selected to enter the KPIs. Define the comments settings, rating type and weightage permissions for routing. Enter objective details and click on Save Objective button. System will show that the objective has been created. Next, to create KPI, click on New KPI button. Select KPI type and enter KPI title and details. Set the weightage and order of KPI. Enter KPI start and end date if required. Define the KPI rating type for evaluation. Select the permission for comments in evaluation. Click on Save KPI button. System will show the created objective and KPI. If a template is already created, user can simply apply to neglect the working of objective and KPI creation. Click on Apply Template button. A pop-up will be visible. Select the template from drop-down. Click on Apply button. System will automatically map the defined objectives and KPIs.